Good morning children, back to the class. So dear children, I hope I have given you yesterday work that you have to complete the pronouns. I hope that you have completed. Now today let us start our new topic. What is our new topic? So let us come to the lesson number 14 for third students English first. So for the third students English first, we are going to discuss what is our lesson 14 verb. So about the verbs we are going to discuss. What is the verb? First of all, you tell me. Verb means what? So verb means nothing but verb are doing words. Verb are doing words. Doing words means suppose singing, playing, dancing. All these are doing words. Means the action. What we are doing in a action that we call as a verb. Verbs are a doing words. So let us see the now if you see that way, look at the following sentences. In your textbook if you come, page number 34. So the pictures they have given you see that Rohan flies a kite. The children play. I sing well. And here, everything what I said, flies, F-L-I, yes, flies, play, P-L-A-Y, play, the next is sing. All these three things, if you see in these three sentences, these are express different actions. They are expressing the different actions. So, the here flying and playing, that is not sing. So, three different actions we are doing here. The same thing next one you see. Verb are doing words. We cannot speak or write a sentence without a verb. Without a verb. Verb shows action. Yes, dear children. Without the verb we cannot complete. Suppose after one you see. Rohan a kite. Is there any meaning in this Rohan a kite? Is there any meaning? When we put here Rohan flies a kite. Then when we use the verb only, the meaning will be there. Without the verb there is no action. So the sentence without a verb is we cannot speak or we cannot write without the verb. So the verb is the very important. Without the verb we cannot complete a sentence. To complete any sentence we need the verb here. So look at the following sentences. My mother is a doctor. Sahana is here. In this sentences is also a verb. So here you can see second sentences you see. Both helping verb is also needed. So my mother is a doctor. So you may ask, so my mother is a doctor. So here you may ask, where is the verb? So here is the verb here. My mother is a doctor. My mother a doctor. So there is no meaning. My mother is a doctor. My mother doctor means you say my mother doctor. So that normally it is not at all pronouncing well. It is not a correct word we can say. So when we use this verb, is, are, where, all this also helping verbs we can say. This be form verbs will be very important. This also has, without this also, the sentence will not be completed. So exercise number 1. Underline the verbs. So this is very easy my dears. Verb, what is the verb? Verbs are doing words. The verbs are the doing words. Verbs show the action. It shows the action of it all play, sing, sit, dance, move, come. All these are the verb. Under the verb it will be coming. Now underline the verbs in the sentences. They have given it is very easy. You can do. The boy laughed. So what is the action the boy is doing? laughed. So you can underline that word laughed. The bird flew away. So the bird flew away means what the bird is doing action here? Flew. So that is the one. So like that you can see and underline it. That is not very big task for you. You can do. John knocked at the door. So knock is the action here. Then exercise number 2. Exercise number 2 is fill in the blanks with using the following words. They have given in the box, page number 35. They have given the box. There they have given some girl that you have to use in a correct places. First one, I dash the wood with what we cut the wood. So how we cut the wood? That a cut word is the important. So you have to write the cut. I dash the wood with a sword. So cut. The lion dashed loudly. What the lion action? Roared. So it roared very loudly. The nightingale dashed sweetly. What the nightingale? Sing. Yes or no? The nightingale sang sweetly. Sing, sang. Okay. We dashed down the road. So we walked down the road. So like that we have to put. Now exercise number 3, what they have given? Exercise number 3. Exercise number 3, what is that? Read the poem and circle the verbs. You may use color pencils. So this you can do as an activity. Okay. So a mouse went up in the balloon and sailed along in the state until at last he reached the moon, and there he stayed a while. So here see this poem and you try to do the underline with the color pencil. Just you underline the verb there. The next exercise number 4, they have given you one exercise. This is a paragraph. Complete the paragraph with the help of the verbs given in the cloud to know the. So here they have given click, studies, visit, reading, leaves, travel, eat, has, spends. So gardening. Now you have to see. Riba dash in a pony. So what Riba lives in a pony with her mommy and daddy. She studies. So what she is doing there? She does it in answer school. So what is there? She studies. First blank you have to write leaves. Exercise number 4. First one paragraph writing. The next one is what? Studies. Studies. Next third one. Her mother is a famous photographer and dash lots of beautiful pictures. So mother is a photographer means what they do? Click. So you can use the word click there. CLI click. Click a lots of beautiful pictures. Her father dashed a travel agency. So her father has a travel agency. So has. Her father has a travel agency. The family dashed their evenings together. What the family spend? So the family spends their evening together. Spend, S-P-E-N-D, spends. Next, sixth one. Sudha enjoys dash while her mother loves dash. So Sudha enjoys reading. Sudha enjoys reading. Picture they have given. According to that you have to write. So while her mother gardening. Next, on occasion they dash all over India. So travel. Eighth one is travel. So they travel all over the India. Dash at good restaurants. What they dash at good means eat at good restaurants. Eat at good restaurants. The next one. 10th one, what they do after eating? Good restaurants and dash many places like Moscow, historical palaces, temples and churches. So what that one? Visit. So they visit the different places. So this is about a paragraph. Next one, if you come, now you can do read the exercise number 5. You can do as a homework. What is that? Read the following story and underline the verbs in it. So you read out the story and underline the verbs so that you can do by yourself. So everybody do it. The next one, exercise number 6. Exercise number 6 is the fill in the blanks. The first one you have to underline again, write the fill in the verbs there. According to that, they have given in the box. Birds dash nuts in the trees. Build. So first one is what? B-U-I-L. Build. So they build the nest. So next one, my father will dash the money in the bank. What the money? What we do? Deposit. So D-E-P-O. This side, deposit. Next, third one. Somebody dash at the door. What somebody? What they will do? Knocked. So you can write there. Knocked at the door. Knocked. Next, if you see a fourth one, we will dash our. We will dash our secretary tomorrow. So what we will elect our secretary. We will elect our elect. So E-L-E-C, elect. The next fifth one, how long can you dash for me? So how long can you dash for me means wait. So this is the one. And down they have given you find out the funny game so that you can do have fun while you learn. So you have to find the opposite words. You have to write down the different kinds of words they have given. That while means that all that comes under the word opposite word. What is that? You have to see and write down. So that is the find. What is the opposite word? Lose. Give, take, open, close. Next one, raise, fade. All these things you can do by yourself. How much you can do, you do it. I will be giving you as a PDF. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson and understood. So, thank you all.